How to see if someone screenshot your Instagram story. Let's jump right into the steps. Go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Keep a story from one account, and what I'll do is I'll open in another account and I will go ahead and screenshot the story, and we'll see if we get notification or anything when we screenshot the story and that we know that someone has screenshot the story. So now that we have did it, go back to the actual account that you have posted story from. Now tap on the home screen that is on the bottom left corner and tap on notification that is on the top right corner. As you can see, you cannot see if someone has screenshotted your Instagram story. You don't get any notification. Even if you go to the story and search for it, you will only see the view. That is, you'll only see who have viewed your story but not who have screenshotted your story. But one thing is, you can see who have screenshotted your story when you directly message them. That is, when you send them a disappearing picture, you'll be able to see who have screenshot it. So I'll send a disappearing picture to my another account and I'll open another account and screenshot it. Now when I go back to the account that I have sent, you'll see the screenshot sign right here. That means the person have screenshotted the picture that you have sent. Also, when you see the details, you'll see there is screenshot. That means they have screenshotted your picture. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.